Hey, what's up, y'all? We just landed in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we are headed to our hotel. And stay tuned for a full review on the Hyatt Place San Juan. To find out more information on what the restrictions are to fly into Puerto Rico, watch my airport video. Reporting to you live from Hyatt Place, San Juan in Puerto Rico, your bobble-headed girl, DreloBayBay. Thank you. You're all too kind. Hello from San Juan, or should I say, bienvenidos. All right. All jokes aside, welcome to the Hyatt Place in San Juan. Yes, get it right. It's the Hyatt Place in San Juan. There are many locations for the Hyatt Place, so please make sure that you're looking for Hyatt Place San Juan when you're trying to come to this hotel. All right, so this right here is the entrance to the hotel. You go through these double doors and you will see this is the lobby. But let me back this up real quick. I'm sure you're all wondering how long it takes from the airport to the hotel. By taxi, it takes about 13 minutes without any traffic. Also, right across the street from us is Hyatt House. Both of these hotels are conveniently located just minutes away from Old San Juan. If you're looking to do some shopping, Plaza Las Americas is your go-to mall. That mall is the biggest mall in the Caribbean, and it is about 10 minutes away from your hotel. So the mask mandate is that you need to keep your mask on indoors at all times, whether you're vaccinated or not. So when you check into this hotel, you'll get your keys, wristband, and this piece of paper that explains to you all of the rules and regulations that are in place at this hotel. The wristbands are different colors depending on what day you're checking in. The wristbands are here to show that you are staying at this hotel, and they allow you to participate in the complimentary continental breakfast that they serve every morning. As a safety precaution, you have to tap your card by the sensor when you are going up to your room, but when you're coming back down, you do not have to tap it because it'll take you to the lobby automatically. This hotel has 6 floors, and we happen to stay on the 5th floor this time around. Alright, y'all, we made it to the 5th floor. This time around, we stayed in room 510. Mind you, they also have a laundry and dryer machine here on the 5th floor. So if you are looking to wash your clothes and do all that, you can go ahead and do it on the 5th floor. Alright, so here is the bathroom. You got your sink, you got your toilet, you got your shower. Obviously, there's towels, and they have soap and conditioner as well as lotion for you if you need. They also have a hair dryer for those of you who need that. If you know me, I'm a stickler for my bathrooms. I like it to be nice and luxurious. This bathroom was just a basic bathroom, so I would just give it maybe like a 6 out of 10. Now the room comes with a sofa, which also turns into a sofa bed, and then it also has the 2 queen beds as you can see here. Now if your party is pretty big, this would be a great room for you because there's lots of space for people to sleep, and as you can see, this is a non-smoking room. The room comes with 2 bottled waters and a coffee maker, a lamp, a phone, a TV, just all of the basics that you usually have. It also has a small mini fridge that you can put whatever you need to keep cool inside. Don't mind me not knowing how to open up a fridge. It was really late, so give your girl a break, y'all. As far as storage goes, this room has a lot of drawers, lots of closet space, and here, let me show you. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, not just 1 drawer, not just 2 drawers, but 3 drawers. Ladies and gentlemen, look, you have 3 drawers, which will probably all be taken up by someone like me. If you are traveling with someone like me, I will use up all your drawer space. Inside your closet, you have your ironing board, your iron hangers, and also you have some sheets and blankets above so that you can use for your sofa bed, as well as a safe. So as you guys already know, I landed pretty late, and so by the time I started filming everything, it was about like 2 or 3 in the morning. So I waited till the next morning to show you a better picture of what you saw outside of my window. And this was my view. So this is the view that we saw from our room. It is of the swimming pool downstairs. And when we usually stay at this hotel, we actually stay on the other side. So the view is of the port and we're able to see the ships come in and all the water and everything. But this time we wanted to change it up. So we wanted to ask for a view of the swimming pool. So we went ahead and went with that one. As you can see, there is also parking available if you are thinking about renting a car from the airport, or right across from us is also the Sheraton, and you can rent cars for much cheaper over there as well. Due to COVID, they shut down the bar outside of the pool, so you were only able to just use the pool. Don't be bummed out, they have another bar inside right next to the lobby. So once you get into the lobby, on your left-hand side, you will see a bar and you can order from there. On the other side of this bar, you're able to order salads, sandwiches, soups, and various other items. Now in the mornings, this area is filled with people eating their continental breakfast that is complimentary every morning. If you don't feel comfortable eating indoors, you can always eat outside, and as you can see, there are a lot of tables and chairs outside to eat from. I personally like to eat inside because it's really hot outside usually, even in the mornings. So the indoor is what I prefer. Now as far as what they serve, every day is a little different, but usually they will have your usual drinks, apple juice, orange juice, grapefruit juice, oatmeal, cereal, yogurt, eggs, and you can't forget about the fruit. They also serve fruit. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now on the other side of this area, they have toasters where you can also toast your bread and your English muffin, your rolls, your pound cake, what have you. And then these are the condiments on this side and your cereals if you'd like. Now, like I said, every day is different. So this was another day. They had eggs, sausage, and they also had some potatoes. It's usually the 3 hot foods that kind of switch up. They'll always usually have scrambled eggs, and then it's your meat that they change, whether it's sausages or whether it's bacon or whether it's a different type of sausage. They'll just switch that part up. Breakfast is served Monday through Friday between the times of 6:30 and 9:30. And then on Saturdays and Sundays, they serve from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you need to work on the computer, they have 2 computers located conveniently downstairs in the lobby, and it's hooked up to the printer so that if you need to print out your boarding pass or anything, you are able to do so. Now, if you're looking for an ATM because you also need some cash, don't worry, they have it. Now, let me show you where the pool and the fitness center is. The fitness center is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. and due to COVID, you do need a call ahead of time to reserve a slot so that it doesn't get too crowded and people can still social distance. The pool is open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and you do not need a call ahead of time to reserve your spot. You can just go ahead and enjoy the pool. The pool was actually very accommodating. On one side, they have the area where the kids can play on the play structure, and then on the other side, they just have a regular pool with a waterfall for the adults. Now, before I forget, let me answer the most important question that you guys are all probably wondering, which is, how much is it to stay there? The cheapest I've seen it ever go for is about $180. Now, it can range from $180 all the way to about $400. It just depends on if it's a holiday season or if it's an off season. All that comes into play and the prices may vary. Not to mention they also have different types of rooms and views that go for a little bit more or little less. Overall, I give this hotel a 7 out of 10. Alright folks, that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, subscribe people! Or should I say, suscribirse mi gente. Adios! Hasta luego!